Hey everyone, I wanted to put a video out. I have not put a drone video out in a few days of the construction. We are grounded, or specifically I am grounded. I got a letter in the mail and it basically says, you know, I got to do a few things before I can fly again, if I can ever fly again. I'm going to do the best I can to get through this and get back out there and make some videos and do those types of things. Until then, I am kind of stuck, you know, in purgatory, I guess. Drone purgatory. It's not from the FAA, so there's that. Anyways, I've been doing this drone channel stuff basically for the last 6-ish years. How it all started was I did a video for my friend and I just posted it on my channel and it got a bunch of views and I got a ton of subscribers. So I just kept on making these videos and I really enjoyed flying my drone. So it was a, you know, plus for me. And then I also got a lot of compliments and people telling me how much my videos help them and help them see their neighborhoods and buy a house here, buy a house there. That's why I continue to do it. I really enjoy it. I like flying my drone over areas and I like to show people the new construction and all that type of stuff. But again, I'm grounded. So I can still fly my drone obviously in different areas, just not in specific ones that you may or may not be interested in. I try and keep everything as positive as I can on the channel. I want most of you who are interested in the areas to see what you want to see, and that's it. I try not to be negative about a lot of things unless there's specific things I don't like about an area, like maybe mosquitoes or I don't know, to some of the other things I've said. Sometimes places are locked in land or they're hard to access, I guess I would say. Things like that I'll bring up, but otherwise pretty positive on the channel. And it does mean a lot to me. It means a lot to me when you guys reach out and say thanks, or I see you at an event somewhere where I have the food trailer. We've been doing a lot of driveway parties and block parties and things like that, and I really appreciate it when you guys come up and you say hello or you say you love the videos or how much you watch the videos to move to an area and whatnot. And I enjoy doing that type of stuff and interacting with you guys also. I like to hear your stories about where you're from, and a lot of us have things in common, like we're from Wisconsin or up north somewhere. We've been to the same areas, or maybe you're a military veteran like I am. I really enjoy that and getting to know a lot of you in different ways. And that's why I continue to do this. So we'll be shifting gears a little bit here over the next, I don't know, several weeks. I don't know how long it's going to take. But yeah, I look forward to seeing what you have to say in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one.